Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this app right here called CitizenMe, okay? So what is this app all about? Can you really make money from this app? Is this a good use of your time? Or maybe there are better options out there, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars a month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below. I'll send you that strategy for free, straight to your email. You can check it out if you want, all right? Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, lots of different data apps, surveys, GPT websites, different business models, and some of them are great, but a lot of them are just a little bit of a waste of time, all right? So let's take a look at CitizenMe to find out whether this is a good use of your time, how do you actually make money, and how much can you really make from this particular app, all right? Now, CitizenMe is an app where you can download onto your phone, right? Pretty much from anywhere in the world, and it is a way for you to share data and then take surveys to make a little bit of money from this particular platform, all right? Now, the funny thing about this particular survey platform is it doesn't work like other survey websites. A lot of other survey websites, you would just sign up, you would give them some information about yourself, and based on your info, they will send you paid surveys that you can fill out 15 minutes, 30 minutes, sometimes an hour, and they will pay you for every single survey that you fill out. The difference with CitizenMe is that they almost sell it like you're able to take the control back and you can give them your data instead of the government taking your data, and you can make money from the data that you give them, all right? So they make it sound like you're in control of your data and you're going to make a lot of money by giving them your information, but it doesn't work like that at all, right? So if you decide to download this app, so you just click on download here, it'll bring you to the right place for you to download it. You can download it from the App Store or the Play Store, right? And the way that it will work is once you download it, there's a bunch of different surveys that you would need to take for free, okay? So, and they color coded here. You can see this, all right? So there's the red ones, there is the blue ones, there's the green ones, and basically they do different things like, paid surveys, data wallet, personality test app, all rolled into one. And it will basically, based on the information that you give them, right, they will send you some paid surveys that you can take, okay? So essentially what they're doing is they're trying to collect as much data on you as possible, and they're gonna make you basically fill out tons of free surveys. So it's like literally like 95% of the surveys that you have to fill out. You have to take the time to fill this out, remember, okay? And you're giving them information about you for free, by the way, okay? And so all of the 95% of the surveys that you're filling out are free surveys. And then if you give them enough free information, then they will send you a couple of paid surveys here and there for you to then fill out again and then make a little bit of extra money from those paid surveys. So I think it's a very weird structure, because basically what's happening is you're doing all the work, right? You're giving them all this free information, and for 95% of the free information, they're just giving you little bits of crumbs here and there for you to fill out a real paid survey, and you still have to fill the paid surveys out, right? And then you get paid for those paid surveys. It's a very kind of backward structure, right? There are a lot of survey companies out there that just pay you straight up for filling out surveys. So for example, Survey Time, okay, you can literally get rewarded $1, 50 cents to $1 for every survey that you complete. So you don't have to waste time filling out all these free surveys for nothing. It doesn't really make sense. I mean, look, if you're gonna take the time to fill out a survey, I'm assuming that you wanna be rewarded for that, right? Over here on CitizenMe, this is almost like you're doing community service. Does that make sense, right? So 95% of the surveys you fill out for free, they make the money from your information, and then they kind of throw you a bone here and there to fill out a paid survey. I think that's a bit strange, right? There's another website called Swagbucks, which is basically the same. You get free gift cards and cash for filling out surveys and doing other tasks as well, and they reward you directly, right? Whereas with this one, I think that they kind of take advantage of your data and your time. And they don't really reward you for the amount of time that you're spending on the app, which is okay as long as you understand that 95% of the information you're giving them, you don't get paid for, okay? So again, 95% of the surveys you're filling out are free surveys, which I think is kind of strange. You basically have to do that out of the kindness of your heart, which is fine for you to do that as long as you understand that that's what's actually happening. So for me, I think that CitizenMe is probably not a good way to make money. If you want to just come here and fill out information and give this company your data, so that you can make a teeny weeny bit of money, then you can check out CitizenMe at the Citizen app, right? You can just download it at the Apple Store or the Play Store, right? But if you're here because you want to fill out data, give people information, fill out surveys, and get paid a bit more, then I would check out survey websites like Survey Time and Swagbucks. There are a lot of legit ones that pay you a little bit more. But guys, even though these ones are legit, you have to understand that survey websites don't pay out that much money. You can expect to make anywhere from 10, 20 cents to $1 a survey that you fill out. You're not going to get rich, okay, overnight. If you really hustle at this, maybe you can make $3, $4, $5 a day. But don't expect to make hundreds of dollars every single day. That's not how it works at all. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of CitizenMe. I probably wouldn't go down this route. I would check out other survey websites. But if you're here watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to make bigger income online, right? And I've been online for over 14 years. I've tried all sorts of different strategies. For me, there's still one strategy that I love that can get you to $5,000 to $10,000 a month minimum, 100% online from home. So if you want that strategy, just click the link below. I'll email that to you straight to your email for you to check out if you would like to check it out. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of CitizenMe, and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.